Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. In this video, I will share the 4 most noteworthy penny stocks this month. Penny stocks are shares in small public companies with a low market capitalization and limited liquidity. This makes them more volatile than stocks from larger, more established companies. However, penny stocks often belong to evolving companies with high growth potential. If a penny stock company succeeds, the value of its shares can skyrocket, resulting in substantial returns for investors. Based on technical analysis, the 4 stocks I will share are all in a state of readiness, and the market may significantly push these stocks up this month or in a shorter period of time, thereby bringing benefits to those investors who buy low. So let's analyze them next. Stock 1. BioAtla. From the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that $1.14 is the current key support level of the stock. On July 9th, the stock price fell deeply, but the trading volume was significantly enlarged, indicating that a large amount of funds entered the market at this position, which is a positive bullish signal. On July 17th, the stock price rose sharply to $2 in the morning trading and then began to fall sharply, and some large trading volumes were generated, indicating that some capital tried to cash out at a high price, but the market strongly pulled up the stock price again in the afternoon trading. Although the stock price fell again afterwards, it showed that the market did not want the stock price to fall sharply. On July 19th, the stock price rebounded strongly after a sharp drop in the morning trading and generated some trading volume, which was a signal that the market strongly maintained the stock price. The next day, the stock price rebounded again by 2.3%, pulling the stock price back to the upward trend, which is a positive signal. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Technically, the stock is still in an upward trend. The trading volume on July 9th was significantly enlarged, indicating that large capital flowed into the market to drive the stock price rebound. And these large capitals have not yet exited the market, so I think the stock price may rise further. So how much room for growth is there? The target price I see is $2.43. Stock 2. Zura Bio. From the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that $3.37 is the current first key support position of the stock, and $3.14 is the second key support position. On July 2nd, the stock price continued to fall in the morning trading and then rebounded strongly, and the market generated some large trading volumes when the stock price was at a low level, indicating that large funds entered the market from this position, which is a positive bullish signal. On July 12th, the stock price again generated a large trading volume at a low level in the morning trading, but the stock price did not fall, indicating that large capital entered the market to take over the chips sold by the shorts. On July 17th, the stock price fell to $3.37 and then began to rebound. The market continued to push the stock price up in the following 3 trading days. There were some large trading volumes in the intraday trading that pushed the stock price up, which is a positive signal. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The stock did face some resistance during the rise, but this did not affect the stock price to maintain an upward trend. When time entered July, the daily trading volume of the stock also increased significantly, indicating that large funds entered the market to absorb chips and maintain the stock price. I think these funds may soon drive the stock price up sharply. For the target price, I currently see $4.49, which means that the stock still has 26% potential upside for the current stock price. Stock 3. Huya. Through the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that $3.75 is the recent bottom position of the stock. The stock price took off here, and then there were 2 strong actions to pull up the stock price, indicating that the market hopes to push the stock price to a higher level. On July 10th, the stock price surged to $4.93 in the morning trading and then began to fall rapidly. The next day in the morning trading, we saw that the market had continuous selling actions, causing the stock price to fall rapidly and deeply, indicating that large funds had withdrawn from the market at this position, and then the stock price continued to fall slightly. On July 19th, the stock price fell deeply to $4 at the end of the trading day, and then the stock price rebounded strongly the next day. On the 22nd, the stock price rose by 7.6%, and the stock price returned to the position of 5 trading days ago, and the trading volume was also significantly higher than the previous trading day, indicating that large funds entered and pushed the stock price to rebound, which is a positive bullish signal. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. On Monday, the stock rebounded strongly and recovered the losses of the previous 5 trading days, indicating that the long forces accumulated in the market have begun to counterattack. I think this wave of rise is far from over. With this rebound, the market has brought great confidence, so I think the stock will continue to rise next. As for the target price, I think there is still a lot of room for growth. I see $5.50, which means that the stock has a potential upside of 26% for the current stock price. Stock 4. Aurora Cannabis. From the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that $4.46 is a key support level. On July 2nd, the stock price took off at this position. From July 9th to 11th, the market strongly pushed the stock price up and accumulated some large trading volume. On July 17th, the stock price rose sharply to $6.53 in the morning and then fell sharply. This action generated some large trading volume, but it did not cause the stock price to fall, indicating that only a part of the capital withdrew from the market. On July 19th, the stock price fell to $5.60 in the morning trading and then began to rebound. On the 22nd, the stock price rebounded strongly and the trading volume increased significantly, indicating that large funds entered the market and pushed the stock price back to an upward trend, which is a positive bullish signal. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. On Monday, the stock did not continue the downward trend of the previous trading day, but rebounded strongly by 8.7%, pulling the stock price back to an upward trend, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further, and the bulls still dominate the market price. The stock did encounter some resistance last week, and some capital withdrew from the market, but I saw more capital entering the stock, so I think the stock will continue to rise next, and I see that there is still a lot of room for its rise, and my target price is $7.80. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Penny stocks are highly volatile in the market, and they can bring huge potential returns, but risks are also to be faced. So please bear your own risks when trading and control your positions. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my point of view, please subscribe to my channel. If you have different ideas, please leave a message for discussion. I will continue to pay attention to penny stocks with potential returns and bring the latest analysis. See you in the next video.